Hi, welcome to Marky Mark's Woodshop 101. I'm Amber.
And I'm Marky Mark, and we are constantly making improvements to the workbench. And our next upgrade is a leg bench. Vise attaches to the leg of a table, hence the name. So this piece will slide in here and also at the bottom of the vise, and yet I got to make a peg to go through here, and the vise will, this is the area that the vise will squish. So there's some more pieces, the screw that'll go through that'll tighten it, and I got to turn a collar yet, may have to make two of them for the thread to go through. So all the pieces quite aren't there yet, and it's a work in progress. I use scraps, that's why. This is southern yellow pine, which is hard. It's for pine, and I put a maple insert here just because I thought that would be better. And I think this is either beech, birch, could be oak, I'm not sure. It's very hard wood. This was some oak scraps I glued together that'll be the collar. And this is a softwood dowel. I'm not sure it's going to hold up. I may have to get a hardwood dowel. We'll see what happens with it, how much pressure ensues with it. But that's what I had, so that's what I used. And that's where we're at. Here it is, the leg vise. I got it put together and installed. So it's all wood. The bottom slides in and out, and I've got the threaded part here. And I've used some paste wax in there that's got to work itself into threads. So now we can just clamp a board right in, squished in there. I do have to do a couple more tweaks. This is a little bit close to the vise part, so I'm going to add a washer, if you will, and move it out a little bit more. Mark. Extraordinaire! And don't forget, hit the like button, leave a comment, and all that.